For making number 6, you have to move upper bead down, that will be 5, and one bead from the lower side, that will be 1. So 5 and 1 is 6. So this is number 6. You can do it directly by pinching in. So this is 5 and 1, 6. This is number 6. Similarly, first clear. Now we have to make number 7. So 5, 6 and 7, like that. Number 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Clear. Number 9, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 together. So this is how we learned how to make number 1 to 9 on the abacus tool. Again we go to the 0 state. Let's do some practice. Can you try? Okay. Try to make number 7 on the abacus. Pause the video and try it. Yes, absolutely. So you have to pinch in and it is 5, 6 and 7. Good job. Clear. Next question. Can you try to make number 9? Come on, fast. Pause the video. Yes, good job. So this is number 9. Very good. Clear. One more last question. Can you make number 5? Try it out. Pause the video. Good job. So with the finger you have to just turn this down. So this is number 5. So hope you learn the unit place number creation on the abacus. If you have any concern, comment below.